this the first promotion of Imailaka University. Also, they perform their radio in English, so allow me to speak in English and just have a few words about this big challenge. Right now, it was a dream and it becomes true. His Excellency, Mr. Head of the Cabinet, Chief of Staff of the Ministry, Mr. Secretary General, General Secretary of the Ministry of Telecommunication and New Technology, His Excellency Madeleine Renger, the Second Secretary of the Head of Charity, Honorable Mr. the Head of the PICAM, the General Manager of IT in the Ministry, ladies and gentlemen. As Pastor told us, Imailaka University, email, that means managers, intellectual, leader, knowledge, and answers. But the only one who keeps the knowledge, who masters all the things, the master of the mastered, is the Lord. So, let me thank the Lord before, because He is the only one who arranges all things. 4 years ago, we had a dream, and right now this dream comes true. Like Mr. Martin Luther King said also, we have the dream. What's the dream? Let me just remind you, 4 years ago, when I was in session, I met an Indian guy who was talking to me about the project of Pan-African Network. And I said, why not Madagascar? We are not involved in this project. We have a future. And Madagascar, as you know, at this time, with the political issues, it was not possible to negotiate for international issues. But with God's help, with tenacity, with our, the goal. Right now, we achieved this first step. The first step is that how to build in Madagascar with Malagasy people the first online university which performs knowledge. And let me explain you, before MAILAKA University, you can see the letters I, like iPad, like iMovie, like I, like you, the first person. But I also means intelligence, ID. This is Imailaka. I, because you yourself, you must believe in you. You must give the best on you to master all things, to manage the intellectual, the knowledge, to be leader in every field where you are. But before that, we have the only thing here. We need infrastructure. That's the reason why the Ministry of Telecommunication, Post and New Technology, we get all of our duties to So I'd like to thank the staff of the mission here in behalf of the promotion that I am the father. Thank you very much for your help, His Excellency. And I think that it's not the last, but it's the least. We can do better, much better again. MAILAKA University, I can resume it in 3 words. First, pride, trust, and honor. So, on behalf of the very first graduate students of the MAILAKA University, the first Malagasy online institution that ever meets the international standard on taught in a very modern way. Ladies and gentlemen, and especially for all of you who did believe in this wonderful challenge, I said on behalf of these new experts, I must remain thankful to the chairperson of the Pan-African program from the Indian government 4 years ago, still a Minister of Telecommunications, Post and New Technology. When I signed with the Pan-African representative in Mauritius, the MOU, to keep the project on the tracks. Not many believe that sharp challenge to boost the network within a messy political situation that prevailed in Madagascar would work. But thanks to the goodwill and trust between my departments at that time and my counterpart in New Delhi, VESAT programs, e-learning, as well as the health program, e-health program, have been undertaken, carried out, and now part of the objective is achieved. In 2010, when I first launched the MAILAKA University here, in this place, I had a dream that someday, with new technology facilities, Malagasy students without potential means, but longing to face the global challenge, could follow courses that the prestigious Indian university has delivering, like IGNOU University, Madras University, IT University, University of New Delhi, Pila Institute, and so on. Now that dreams come true and the bricks have been laid down along Madagascar willing towards the BRIC country performance. BRIC, that means the new emerging countries like Brazil, Russia, India, China, and lately the South Africa. Dear Professor, both in India and in Madagascar, dear leaders from Pan-African Network Program, honorable ministers from Indian and Malagasy government, again, thank you very much for all of your memorable support, because with your help, the future of our generation will be, with no doubt, much more brighter. Thank you very much.